Rolling? Rolling? Urvashi, you're looking stunning. Tell us how come you're here?
Okay, thank you so much. Actually, I'm here just because of my friends, the designers, Riddhi Siddhi. They have their designer label, which is known as Babs and Gers. So they are a very good friend of mine, and they are amazing designers, and that is why I'm here to support them.
Urvashi, what do you look into whenever you go out for buying clothes and all? You know, what are the three things you look into?
I just look into like कि मुझे एक ही नज़र में पसंद आ जाना चाहिए. It's just like if I like something, I will buy it. It's like that.
Okay, Urvashi, post Sings Up the Great, what's there in the pipeline?
Yeah.
What's there in the pipeline?
Okay. See, there are a lot of things in the pipeline. I'm doing 2 big South films, and after I finish shooting, I'll just start off with my next two Bollywood films.
You share a very good relationship with the director of Sings Up the Great, that is Anil Sharma Saab. There are reports he's making a Ghayal 2 sequel. Is there any chances to see you opposite Mr. Sunny Deol?
But Ghayal returns. I really don't know because Ghayal was an amazing story. I would love to be part of it. But as far as I know, I had a talk with Sunny Deol, and what he told me was this time it's gonna be like a daughter and father relationship, not just like a lover kind of story. It's not a love story. It's kind of story between the daughter and the father. So.
Okay, given a chance, who would you like to work with? You know, the current generation of the industry.
Okay.
Ranbir Kapoor or Ranveer Singh.
Okay.
Would be a choice if you want to work with.
Both of them?
Yeah, if you want to choose one.
Okay, I like Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, both of them. They both are amazing actors, and I think they both are good. I would love to work with both of them.
Okay, अगर आप साउथ में फिल्में करेंगे इसके अलावा अगर हिंदी फिल्मों की बात करें जैसे सिंग्स अप ग्रेट को एक मिक्स रिस्पॉन्स मिला है अब क्या है पाइपलाइन में साउथ की फिल्मों के अलावा
I told you two Bollywood films, and those films are untitled.
If you can little bit about the film or the director or the production house.
Okay, the thing is that I would say if after the director says and it would be a breach of contract, so I don't want to get into all this, so I cannot.
और वैसे किस तरह से अलग होगा जो आपने सिंह साहब में रोल निभाया है जो आप 2 फिल्मों की बात कर रही हैं?
अलग होगा, काफी हद तक अलग होगा. So that's a surprise and suspense.
Okay, de-glamorized रोल में नजर आने वाली ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है?
De-glamorized, not really. It's not like that, but बिल्कुल वैसे तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. It would be something very different.
Anything about the star cast if you can say?
Huh?
Anything about the star cast?
Nothing. You're very clever.
It means it will be a surprise.
Yeah, it will be a huge surprise.
When the film is already in the flow or you are working?
No. See, after